Look at this channel. They have 88,000 subscribers, and so far, they have uploaded around 200 videos. Most of their videos are literally just switching between pictures. This video has 1.3 million views, and this channel is making close to $2,000 a month. Now look at this channel. Only 50 videos, yet they've already grown to over 610,000 subscribers. Their animations are simple, clean, and minimal, and many of their videos have over 1 million views. This channel is estimated to be making around $25,000 a month. And then there's this one. Just 33 videos, 9.37 million subscribers. Most of the videos use extremely simple animation, and some of them have tens of millions of views. This channel is estimated to be making around $48,000 a month. In the past, creating and managing channels like this would have required a whole team. Writers, editors, animators, researchers. But with AI, that's no longer the case. Today, you can build channels like this without a team, without showing your face, and without any coding skills. And the most surprising part? The workflow behind these videos is shockingly simple. Over the past few weeks, I spent more than 20 hours analyzing faceless YouTube channels. Channels that don't show their face, don't rely on personality, and still generate serious views and revenue. I looked at what they post, how often they upload, how long their videos are, and how simple their production really is. And I found 4 niches that are perfect for beginners. These niches are not only easy to start, they also have high RPM potential, which means they can actually make money. Let's start with the first one. The first niche is history, especially documentary style or dark history. This channel is about military history. Their videos are 20 to 60 minutes long on average. Based on view stats, this channel is making $43,000 a month. This kind of long-form video often leads to higher watch time, higher ad revenue, and stronger algorithm support. This niche works incredibly well for beginners because people care about stories, not necessarily who's telling them. You don't need fancy visuals. In fact, many successful channels simply use public domain photos, AI-generated images, or very simple animations to create the videos. The key is storytelling. Things like daily life during wartime, forgotten historical events, or the side of history you were never taught. This is one of the safest niches to start faceless. For scripts, you can use ChatGPT to create. For voice, you can use a tool like 11 Labs. For images and videos, you can search for high-quality, free-to-use stock photos and videos in pixels.com. The second niche is what I call long-form knowledge, or sleep learning. This niche combines 2 high RPM formats into one, which makes it especially attractive for beginners. Many of these channels simply show space images with light visual filters layered on top. The production is surprisingly simple. Some channels in this niche were started just a few months ago, yet have already reached over 128,000 subscribers and nearly 7 million total views. These videos are usually 1 to 3 hours long, and viewers don't even need to fully understand everything to stay engaged. As a result, these channels often achieve extremely high average view duration. Popular topics include the universe, time and space, consciousness, philosophy explained gently, and science without math. The narration is calm and slow. The visuals are often looped, space footage, abstract animations, or AI-generated images. These videos perform extremely well because people leave them on while resting, which drives high watch time, all with very simple production. This niche is perfect if you're looking for something low-stress, scalable, and beginner-friendly. To create similar videos, you can use ChatGPT for script, 11 Labs for audio, Gemini for videos and photos, and CapCut for editing. The third niche that is beginner-friendly is book summaries and big ideas. For example, this channel focuses on productivity insights and uses simple stick figure animations to explain ideas clearly. It was created less than 2 years ago and has already grown to nearly 500,000 subscribers with over 21 million total views. The channel is estimated to be making around $3,500 a month, and several of its videos have surpassed 2 million views. This niche works because the value proposition is extremely clear. Save time and learn the core ideas. Some popular categories you can try are personal growth, finance, psychology, or philosophy. The structure is very repeatable. 1 book, one clear takeaway, and one long video. Visually, you can keep it simple. Text highlights, diagrams, subtle background images. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to explain ideas clearly. The fourth niche is the How Things Work explainers. This is one of the most underrated faceless niches on YouTube. People are naturally curious about questions like how airplanes land safely, how electricity reaches our homes, how shipping containers move around the world, how large factories stay organized. Some channels in this niche, like this one, have grown to over 4 million subscribers with just around 100 videos, and many of their uploads consistently reach over 1 million views. What's interesting is that the production is very simple. These videos often use basic graphics, pictures, and stock footage, but they explain complex ideas in a clear and engaging way that keeps viewers watching. To create similar videos, you can use the same AI tools and workflows I introduced earlier. If you're still watching, it means you're serious about starting a faceless YouTube channel and turning it into an income stream. Now let me be honest with you. This is not instant success. Your first video will probably be crappy. The editing might be messy, the pacing won't feel right, and that's completely normal. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting. Waiting to learn every skill, waiting to feel ready, waiting for perfection. But in today's world, waiting means falling behind immediately. The people you see winning right now didn't start perfect, they started early. Real progress doesn't come from watching more tutorials. It comes from taking real action. Publishing, learning, improving. So don't aim for perfect, aim for started. Because the only real difference between those who succeed and those who don't is who decided to begin today. And if you decide to take action today, I have a free gift for you. To make it easier to get started, I've created a cheat sheet that includes the AI tools you can use to start creating your videos in any of these niches. The link is in the description box below. Make sure you check it out and download it for free. If this episode helps you, please hit that like button and subscribe to the Built by One channel for more strategies on building modern one-person businesses. See you in the next episode.